Have you ever wondered why humans have so many different eye colors, such as brown, blue, gray, or even eyes that appear almost black? Is eye color simply a matter of appearance, or does it actually reveal something about our biology and health? In reality, eye color is not created by actual pigments of different colors inside the eye. Instead, it is mainly determined by the amount of melanin, a natural biological pigment present in the iris. Melanin is the same substance that determines skin color and hair color. The more melanin a person has in their iris, the darker their eyes appear. People with less melanin tend to have lighter eyes. One surprising fact is that there is no blue pigment in human eyes at all. Blue eyes are the result of a physical phenomenon called light scattering. When melanin levels are very low, incoming light is scattered within the iris, and shorter wavelengths of light are reflected back, creating the appearance of blue or gray eyes. This is similar to why the sky looks blue when sunlight passes through the atmosphere. On the other hand, when melanin levels are high, most of the light is absorbed, causing the eyes to appear brown or very dark. What many people call black eyes are actually very dark brown eyes that look black under low lighting conditions. From an evolutionary perspective, eye color is closely connected to the environment in which human ancestors lived. In regions with intense sunlight, such as Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, brown eyes are far more common. This is because melanin acts as a natural protective shield, absorbing ultraviolet radiation and protecting the delicate structures inside the eye. People with brown eyes are generally less sensitive to bright sunlight and have a lower risk of certain light-related eye conditions, including retinal damage and age-related macular degeneration. Biologically speaking, brown eyes are considered the most resilient and well-adapted eye color for life in bright environments. In contrast, lighter eye colors such as blue, gray, or green are more common in regions with weaker sunlight, such as Northern Europe. Because they contain less melanin, light-colored eyes allow more light to enter the eye, which makes them more sensitive to bright conditions, and people with light eyes are more likely to experience glare, discomfort, and eye fatigue in strong sunlight, and may need extra protection when outdoors. Some studies suggest that lighter eye colors may be associated with a slightly higher risk of light-induced eye damage if proper eye protection is not used. However, light-colored eyes are not purely a disadvantage. In low-light environments, blue or gray eyes may provide better visual sensitivity because more light is able to reach the retina. There are also interesting studies suggesting that people with blue eyes may have a higher tolerance for pain in certain situations, although this remains a topic of scientific debate. Eye color is often linked to personality traits in popular culture, such as brown eyes being perceived as trustworthy, blue eyes as creative, or dark eyes as mysterious. Scientifically, however, there is no strong evidence proving that eye color directly determines personality. These associations are largely shaped by cultural perceptions rather than biology. Genetically, eye color is not controlled by a single gene, but by a complex interaction of multiple genes inherited from both parents. This explains why eye color predictions are not always straightforward and why, in rare cases, two brown-eyed parents can have a child with lighter eyes. In newborns, eye color can change during the first year of life. Many babies are born with light gray or blue eyes because melanin production has not fully developed yet. As melanin levels increase over time, the eyes may gradually darken and settle into their permanent color. In adults, eye color usually remains stable, and sudden changes in eye color can sometimes be a warning sign of underlying eye conditions that require medical attention. Regardless of eye color, proper eye care is essential for everyone. Although brown eyes offer better natural protection against ultraviolet light, they are not immune to damage from prolonged sun exposure. Light-colored eyes require even more protection, especially through the use of UV-blocking sunglasses. Limiting screen time, taking regular breaks to rest the eyes, maintaining proper viewing distance, and having routine eye examinations are important habits for preserving vision. Vision loss is often irreversible, which makes eye care a lifelong responsibility. While eye colors may differ, the value of our eyesight remains the same for everyone. It is our window to the world and one of the most precious senses we possess.